So we are showing our MatLab heart rate monitoring project. We are calculating heart rate using the Fourier Transform and the filtering and peak detection method. So you can see we have two values that pop up. We should run for 20 seconds before ending in the while loop. So here's the end. We have a decent example of the detection method. So we're taking this frequency right here, and then here is the regular peak detection, and then the difference is here. You can tell there's a difference between like 7 to 10 or so. So now I'm going to switch over and see what it looks like using LabView. I have to load the firmware onto Arduino. Derek's going to talk about our actual device now.
So here's our device, and what we did was that we integrated the springboard into the actual Arduino itself and just used wires to bypass them all. And here we have the ground, analog input pin, and our 5-volt constant. And here we created this device in SolidWorks from last quarter, 60A, and what we have is infrared LED on the top.
It's just a
Our
regular
photodiode in the bottom, and we soldered all the wires together onto the LED and photodiode. And here we're about to compare our results to LabView.
Here we go. It's a pretty elaborate front panel. So we'll go over to, here's our cleaned up version. So we're getting about a mid-70s heart rate. So, yeah, so let's stop that there. So we're seeing about mid-70s in LabView. If we go back to here, it's a little bit more glitchy with MatLab. We definitely had a more in-depth algorithm for taking noise out in LabView. Is there anything else you want to say?
No, that's pretty much our results and the results that we got compared between the two.